What's up guys, Sean here from SRK Cycles. You're about to watch one of our walk run videos. The reason we do walk run videos is to show you guys everything about the bike, all the flaws, all the features. No one else does them like this. This is what enables us to sell bikes all over the country. Enjoy, we'll see you guys later.
What is up everybody? It is Ben from SRKcycles.com. Today I am here with a 2015 Harley Davidson Switchback. Got that 103 cubic inch motor. Let's take a walk around this bad boy. So we got the hard bags on the side, the low fender, very clean bike. Tires looking pretty nice. This is a nice bike, guys. Got the hard bags here on the side. I really like this color blue. There's the inside of the bags. Again, really clean bike. I think it has like 1,200 miles. We're gonna get into that later in this video. Guys, don't forget to check out the test drive on this bad boy. That will be up online. This battery case here has some weird marks on it. I'm not sure if they're scratches. Looks almost like it was off and maybe it was on the ground. The bike itself does not have any damage on it that makes it look like it's been down, but you can see the exhaust is pretty clean at the passenger peg there. Again, I really like this blue. It cleaned up really nice. I actually had it on the trailer in the rain, got a little dirty, so I cleaned it up before I did the video. It is the 103 cubic inch motor. Like I said before, again, this is a nice bike. Looks like maybe, I don't know, I didn't ride it that much in 2 years or 3 years. He's got like 1,000 miles on it. The motor's really clean. The tank's really clean. There's some like little marks in the paint there, but not really scratches, just some of that in the clear coat. The seat is super clean. Got that nice deep dish seat. Good comfortable passenger seat for riding two up. Looks like most everything is factory, you know, factory turn signals, factory bars, factory grips, factory mirrors, even the floorboards and the brake pedal. Looks like everything came right out of the Harley factory that way. This front fender, there's some marks here on the front fender. I want you guys to see this. I'm not sure what this is from. Looks almost like it got rubbed up against a wall or maybe another car in a garage. These are probably the worst marks on the bike, but again, it only has like 1,200 miles. It's a really nice bike. Still got that nice front tire on it. Come up here, look at the forks. There's no marks on here, guys. It is really, really nice. Got that nice big headlight, got the windshield. Ride and keep that wind off your chest. Get some miles in on this Harley Davidson Switchback. Guys, do not forget to check out the test drive video for this bike. This is a nice Switchback. I know the Switchback didn't get the best reception when Harley brought it out, but I kind of like them. They're like a little bit of a little sporty, like a little bit smaller of a Road King style bike. Got the little bit smaller bags, a little bit smaller windshield. Guys, this is a really clean bike. There you can see in there, the motor is real clean, no issues. Cover there, transmission is good. This is a belt-driven motorcycle. Doesn't look like any major tears or cracks or anything in the belt. This is a nice little bike. I like riding this thing around. Again, looking down the tank here, I don't see any marks. It's really nice to not see any marks on the tank. Don't always see that in what we do. There's a little mark here on the bag. It's like a little bit of road dirt. Maybe some stuff I missed when I was cleaning it up. Guys, this is a really nice motorcycle. Come up over here the bag, up over the back, and you can see, again, the seat is very, very clean. Coming up over the tank, got the Harley Eagle logo there. Turn this bad boy on. Put her in neutral. Yeah. There you can see, guys, it's got 1,211 miles. So this was not ridden hard at all. There's a lot of life left in this bad boy. Let's fire it up. Nice sounding bike. That is the stock exhaust. So if you guys are really like Make sure the signals work. Front signal and back signal. Go on the other side. There's the back signal. Coming up front here. There's the front signal. Guys, don't miss out. This bike is going to be on the website, Srkcycles.com. It is a 2015 Harley Davidson Switchback, and you guys are going to want to get it. It is not going to last long. Thanks for watching, guys.